Seedance AI versus Kling AI. Real tests. No sponsorship. One winner. Let's find out right now. Two platforms. Both free to start. Both from Asia's biggest tech giants. But they are built very differently. Here is what matters. Photorealism test. Same prompt. Both platforms. Kling wins this round. Hey. Skin, lighting, motion. Score. Kling 1, Seedance 0. Motion consistency test. Seedance wins this one. Clean mechanics, 0 flickering. Score tied, 1 each. This just got interesting.
Prompt accuracy test. Kling follows complex instructions better ride, especially emotional nuance. Score. Kling 2, Seedance 1.
Speed test. Kling renders 51 seconds faster per clip. 10 clips saves you 8 minutes. Score. Kling 3, Seedance 1. Pricing test. Kling gives 3 times more credits per dollar at every tier. Score. Kling 4, Seedance 1. 1 category left. Creative flexibility. Seedance dominates. Surrealism, abstract, artistic styles, nobody touches it here. Score. Kling 4, Seedance 2. 1 prompt. Both platforms. Simultaneously. Mars astronaut. Maximum complexity. Results in 23 seconds. Watch this.
Results are in. Kling scores 9.65. Seedance 8.74. That gap in emotional delivery it is everything.
Seedance is not losing Twade, it is specialized. Artists, experimental filmmakers, abstract creators point, this is your platform. 9.558 average. Kling wins 4 of 6 categories. Realism, speed, accuracy, value, all dominant. Overall score 9.52. This is the production platform. Free tier, Kling gives 6.6 times more credits. Pro tier, 2.5 times more value per dollar. Start free on both. Upgrade Kling first. Content creators, Kling for commercial and realistic content. Seedance for artistic and abstract. For most creators' Kling wins immediately. Brands and advertising. Kling dominates commercial categories. Seedance wins creative awards. Maximum impact fee. Use both together strategically. Extreme stress test. 8 to 9 word prompt. Kling scores 9.1 car, Seedance 7.4. Under maximum complexity, the gap widens, always. Community comparison. Kling has 8.7 million users versus Seedance 2.3 million. 3 times bigger. Growing twice as fast. Update velocity. Kling ships 2.25 updates per month. Seedance ships 0.5. Build on the faster mover, always. Final verdict. Kling 9.16, Seedance 8.25, 6 categories to 2. Kling is the definitive winner of 2025. Artists and experimenters hack Seedance. Creators and commercial studios hack Kling. Need both? Use both. Simple as that. Dual platform workflow. Seedance handles artistic elements. Kling handles hero content. Together they produce what neither can alone. Pro tier. Kling produces 3 times more clips per dollar. Enterprise saves 19,600 per year. The math is settled. 5 tested prompts per platform. Kling emotional human back, 97% success rate. All 10 prompts free in the description. Use them today. Start free on Kling today. Test the 5 prompts from description. Subscribe for weekly AI platform reviews. The window is open right now. Links to both platforms, free, in the description below and in the pinned comment. 1 click. Start today. Kling 9.16, Seedance 8.25. All 10 prompts free below. Create more. Spend less. Start today.